Careers that AI can't easily replace, and why they still matter. As artificial intelligence reshapes the workplace, a quiet anxiety hangs in the air. Which jobs will survive and which will disappear? While automation is accelerating across many industries, not every high paying career is on the chopping block. In fact, some roles are becoming even more valuable precisely because machines can't do what humans do best. High paying careers that still rely on the human edge. Certain professions remain resistant to AI replacement because they operate in emotionally complex, high stakes environments where clear cut answers rarely exist. Roles such as trial lawyers, legal consultants, policy advisors, and elected officials demand judgment, persuasion, ethical reasoning, and emotional intelligence, skills that cannot be reduced to algorithms. Salaries in these fields vary widely, but they share a common trait: a strong demand for professionals who can navigate nuanced human situations. Whether it's reading a jury, negotiating sensitive legal matters, or shaping public policy, success depends on understanding people, not just data. That said, AI will still influence these careers. Rather than eliminating them, it will raise the bar. Increased efficiency and access to information will intensify competition, pushing professionals to think more creatively, act more strategically, and refine the uniquely human skills that set them apart. Building future-proof skills in an AI-driven world. Looking ahead, the most valuable skills will be those that resist automation. Content creation, storytelling, and community building stand out as critical areas for future growth. These disciplines rely on creativity, empathy, and emotional connection, qualities that technology can support but not truly replace. As AI tools become widely available, a clear divide will emerge. Some people will use AI as a crutch, simply keeping pace with change. Others will use it as a multiplier, expanding their capabilities and sharpening their competitive edge. The gap between these two groups will define success in the coming years. The message is clear. Those who invest early in irreplaceable skills and adapt proactively to just survive the age of AI, they are let it.